Many years ago, Milwaukee had a police chief named Harold Breyer. He was from the old guard that employed the type of policing that was discriminatory with the lockup mentality. Many black male youth at the time suffered through this police policy. When I first came out of law school, I represented many black men incarcerated for petty crimes and revoked from probation. Many of the revocation hearings, and the initial examinations prior to revocation hearing, were simply a farce. I might as well not have been present, because the outcome was predetermined regardless of whether the revocation was justified. I walked out of many of these hearings disillusioned about our justice system. I remember as a kid when Father Grappi and a number of civil rights activists with many black residents tried to cross the 6th Street Viaduct and were turned away with the threat of violence by those from the other side, white residents with guns. At the time, no one called these people violent and, if alive, some of these same people are probably criticizing what black residents are doing now. Prior police policy affected the black community in various ways: family instability, ability to seek sustaining employment, harassment leading to mistrust of the police, etc. The current police chief says that he is surprised by the level of violence and reaction from the black community. Anyone who remembers the 60s in Milwaukee should not be. To be clear, I do not condone nor use Milwaukee's history as an excuse for what is happening. The riots will not lead to solutions, just more violence and an unnatural period of calm until the next incident that sets people off again. Unfortunately, each police shooting, justified or not, is a spark that lights the powder keg of unrest, which was created over years, including during Clinton's presidency when America saw a huge increase in the incarceration of blacks for non-violent drug offenses. Surprisingly, many of the cases that I see here in Florida involving police brutality have been against more whites than other races, but many from low-income communities, which leads me to see this as a class issue as well as race. The problem that is also underlying the unrest in society is a lack of police accountability and both the federal court's unwillingness to secure our Fourth Amendment rights and police departments' unwillingness to discipline, train and fire officers who violate Fourth Amendment rights. Until this issue is satisfactorily addressed, these uprisings, sadly, will continue.